Are your OpenHashTab Proj apps crashing due to the OpenHashTab utility DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm going to diagnose that error and fix it now. While preparing the manual steps for OpenHashTab utility, check the description for a tool that assists with background library management. This is the OpenHashTab utility. This library integrates into the Windows File Explorer context menu to provide real-time MD5 and SHA checksum verification for files. If corrupted, it is a primary cause of Explorer.exe has stopped working errors when a user right-clicks a file to check its integrity. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. Errors related to OpenHashTab utility DLL often mean the internal OpenHashTab Proj configuration inside your host program is broken, so you need to reinstall that specific software from the official developer source to replace the library. If you're still finding yourself stuck after the reinstall, our next priority is to check for any active blocks in the system path. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with OpenHashTab utility. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. Now that the system has rebooted, if the issue persists, let's move on to our next level of troubleshooting. Feel free to pause the video if you need a moment. Restarting didn't fix the underlying corruption, so now we'll run a command to repair the Windows component store. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism /online//cleanup-image//restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces a fresh download of official system components to resolve deep-seated corruption that standard local repairs cannot fix. A quick professional note on security: sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. Keep in mind that OpenHashTab utility DLL must be properly registered with the Windows registry. Simply dragging and dropping the file into a folder rarely fixes the root cause of the error. Beyond manual troubleshooting, many users find that a system-wide diagnostic scan provides a more complete picture of their environment. To review professional system maintenance concepts, the diagnostic kit below includes OpenHashTab utility documentation. Your feedback is valuable. If this fix got OpenHashTab utility working for you, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure environment.